Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's very sweet and simple, so let's get started. We're going to start off with some stamping. So I've got a scrap piece here of Whisper White. Let me make sure I've got the right piece, because I've got two pieces here. I think that actually they must really know. That's my scrap piece there. I knew it was the larger piece. And the stamps that we're going to be using is a favourite of mine. You've seen me use this 1,000 times already. It's so sentimental. And we're going to be using this sentiment here. I really like this stamp set. It really is versatile. You've got this lovely thank you, wishing you so much happiness today and always. That can be for a wedding or can be for a birthday. Yummylicious. You've got the to and the from. Healing hugs. Your friendship is a blessing. It is such a serviceable stamp set. I really like it a lot. And we're going to be stamping it in Old Olive because that's the colour in our pattern paper. Let me show you. This is the Ornate Garden pattern paper, and that's the green there, so that's why we're going to be stamping it in Old Olive. So let's ink it up, and I'm just going to do it around there. Yeah, that should be fine. Let me see. Now I've smudged that, so let's do it on the other side quickly. That's why cardstock has two sides, so you can make a boo-boo the first time. Just hold it. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so close our pouring pad, because before we have an accident, because I'm liable to put something in it, I know me. And we're going to cut this out with the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And let me see, where's my original? I think I used this one, yes. I used the second largest one to cut that out. And then I used the largest one to cut out a piece from Old Olive cardstock. So I'm just going to put that through the die cutting machine and I'll be back. So those were our two pieces cut out. So we're just going to stick one to the other with some snail. Okay, I'm just going to try and centre this in the middle here, like that. And let's bring back, start to assemble. So this is our card base. So this is Bumblebee, which is one of our new in colours. And this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece here of Whisper White cardstock. And this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10. And then I've got a piece here of the Ornate Garden Designer Series paper. And we're just going to stick one to the other. And this just measures half a centimetre less. So that's, let me have a look. That is 9.5 by 13.85. So, but all these measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that are in the description box below, so don't worry about any of that now. So we're just going to stick this to our base like that. Okay. Now this last time I had a bit of yellow ribbon at the back here, as you can see just there, but I don't really think I need it, so I'm not going to do that this time. I wasn't totally happy with it, but once it was down, it was down. Okay, so then we're going to just put our sentiment in the centre, like that. And now we are going to use the ribbon just to make our little bow. Now this is the Bumblebee ribbon, and it's a lovely soft ribbon. And we're going to just try and tie a very simple bow. Let's just try and neaten it up a bit, which I've made an absolute mess of. Let's see. Start again. So you've got a, I know there's many ways of doing bows. I've tried them all and I struggle with them all. I'm not a very patient person to faff with things, and especially not things like this. I can faff, to be honest, with the computer, no problems, but not with a bow. And they're roughly the same size. That will have to do. Okay, so let's just cut these tails off. Okay, get that out the way. Bring back my glue dots. We're going to stick this down with some glue dots. Make this easy for myself. So I'm going to just put that there, like that. And then I'm going to bring in some rhinestones. And I'm just going to put a few on the sentiment, on the dots of the eyes. So there, on the 1, 2, 3, come here. No, I think it was just 2. I'm not even thinking properly today. Just shows where my brain is. I'm trying to get these done before it really heats up, as it's meant to be 30 degrees today, so I'm not thinking clearly. But there you go. There are the 2 cards. I hope you like them. Very short and sweet and simple. I didn't want to be doing a lot of crafting up here when it's so hot. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. As I said, if you want information about the project, supply list, links to the online shop, etc., it's all on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!